Providing food and beverage service. NVQ-J Level 2. This course covers the essential skills and knowledge required for providing food and beverage service. It prepares learners to meet the NVQ-J Level 2 standards. Lesson objectives. By the end of this course, learners will be able to 1. Prepare dining and restaurant areas for service. 2. Set and check tables according to standards. 3. Welcome and seat customers following enterprise protocols. 4. Take and process orders accurately. 5. Serve food and beverages, ensuring quality and customer satisfaction. 6. Close down the restaurant, preparing for the next service. Key elements and learning outcomes. Element 1. Prepare dining/restaurant area for service. Cleaning. Ensure thorough cleaning of dining areas, including floors, tables, and windows. Customer facilities like restrooms must also be clean and stocked. Ambience. Adjust lighting, music, and overall atmosphere to create a welcoming dining environment. Furniture and equipment. Arrange furniture to ensure safety and comfort, meeting enterprise standards. Prepare service equipment, trays, utensils, and confirm any menu changes with the kitchen. Element 2. Prepare and set tables. Table setup. Set tables based on service standards or customer requests. Items like cutlery, glassware, and napkins must be checked for cleanliness and quality. Inspection. Remove non-compliant items, ensuring the table is ready for use. Element 3. Welcome customers. Greet customers. Welcome guests warmly to make a positive first impression. Seating and reservations. Confirm reservations and seat customers promptly according to their booking. Menu presentation. Present the menu, drinks, and wine list clearly, offering recommendations when appropriate. Element 4. Take and process orders. Order accuracy. Ensure all customer orders are taken accurately, including preferences or special requests. Communication. Send orders to the kitchen or bar promptly and relay any special requests clearly. Upselling. Make product recommendations to customers based on preferences and the menu. Element 5. Serve and clear food and drinks. Service quality. Check food and drinks for accuracy and presentation before serving. Customer satisfaction. Monitor the flow of service and address any delays quickly. Check in with customers to ensure satisfaction. Clear tables. Clear tables efficiently without disturbing the customer's experience. Payment. Present bills to customers as required, following enterprise payment procedures. Element 6. Close down restaurant/dining area. Cleaning and storage. Clean all equipment and store it properly. Dismantle the service area, ensuring it's ready for the next shift. Handover. Pass on relevant information to the incoming staff, including customer preferences or any service issues. Reflection. Reflect on service performance with colleagues to identify areas for improvement. Hence, professionalism. Maintain a positive attitude and professional demeanor throughout service. Attention to detail. Small details such as clean surfaces, proper table settings, and attentive service improve the overall customer experience. Communication. Clear and effective communication with both customers and colleagues ensures smooth service and reduces errors. Teamwork. Support colleagues and share relevant information to provide excellent service.